Good morning, my dear students. I'm happy to meet you all once again for a video presentation like this. In this particular video presentation, we'll discuss the proof of two more results from set theory, which is meant for class 11 of CBSE. I'm planning to add more videos for class 11 of CBSE. Those who want to have automatic notification about the new videos being uploaded, please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. The first result goes like this. Prove that A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C for three sets A, B, C using Venn diagram. Just listen. What I will do is I'll take three intersecting circles. Okay, five such diagrams I will take. I'll take three intersecting circles and I'll take five such diagrams. Okay, everywhere I'll take ABC to be uniformly the same. I should not change the order. Order should be the same in all the five cases. You should not change the order. This one is meant for diagram 1. This is meant for diagram 2. This is meant for diagram 3. This is meant for diagram 4. And this one is meant for diagram 5. Let me just find out B intersection C, the common element for both B and C. This is B intersection C. Okay, now this one is A union B intersection C. Therefore, I will just, if it is there in one of them, it will be there in the union. Therefore, this is my A union B intersection C. Now, let me try to find A union B. This is my A union B. Therefore, I will shade both circles A and B. I will shade both the circles A and B. Okay, now this will be A union C. Okay, I will shade both the circles A and C. I will shade both the circles A and C. Okay, and of course I need to think about A union B intersection A union C. In these two, the common elements I am supposed to shading I should see. Here it is not shaded, but it is shaded here. Not shaded, but shaded here. Now for the common shading is only this much. Okay, common shading is only this much. Okay, this portion is shaded here, but not here. Not shaded here, but it is shaded here. But the common shading is only this much. Now let me write the conclusion here. Comparing diagram 2 and diagram 5, we get write the result anyway. This is the result to be written again here. Okay, this is the result to be taken down and written. Let me just explain once again. Prove that A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. This is called distributive property. Okay, now I'll draw five different diagrams in which I have three intersecting circles. I'll mark A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C in all the three cases uniformly. Okay, now let me do B intersection C, the common element. Then A union B intersection C, that is my second diagram. This is A union B, this is A union C. Now the common shading I should think about, that is the meaning of intersection here. This portion not shaded but shaded here. Shaded here but not shaded here. Therefore the common shading is only this much. Now compare diagram 2 and diagram 5. This is A union B intersection C. Okay, this is union needs to be. Yeah, now this is A union B intersection A union C. I have the common shading. Therefore, they both are equal. They both are equal. They both are equal. I think it is clear to everybody. This is known as of the distributive properties. Okay, is one of the distributive properties. Okay, in terms of union and intersection. Okay, now next result is show that A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. I have to use again, what is it called? Venn diagram. I have to use Venn diagram again. I'll again draw 5 such diagrams where I have 3 intersecting circles. I'll write ABC uniformly in all the 5 cases. Okay, this is ABC, this is again ABC, this is meant for diagram 1, this is meant for diagram 2, this is meant for diagram 3, okay, this is meant for diagram 4, this is meant for diagram 5. Now let me think about B union C. I have to shade, I'll just draw B union C. This is my, I'll shade both the circles B and C. Okay, now this is anyway B union C. This is my first diagram. Now A intersection B union C. Okay, which portion is common under this with A? Okay, therefore only this much is common. This much is common for both A and B union C. This is not there. Okay. This is not there. Okay. Therefore, common between A and B union C is only this much. Okay. This is second. Third one is A intersection B. This is my A intersection C. Okay. Yeah, only this much. Then I have A intersection C. Let me think about A. This is my A intersection B. This is my A intersection C. A intersection C is this much. Okay, let me think about union. A intersection B, union A intersection C. A intersection B, union A intersection C. Okay, therefore I have to think about if it is there in one of them, it will be there in the union. Therefore, this much will be shaded automatically. Okay. Therefore, comparing diagram 2 and diagram 5, we get, what do I get? I'll get the result. Take down and this result again. Let me explain once again. I take 5 different diagrams in which I have 3 intersecting circles. I'll mark ABC, 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 ABC in the same order. I should not change the order. This is B union C. A intersection B union C. Only this much is a common portion. This is in B, not in A. This is in C, not in A. This is in common to B and C, not in A. Therefore, only this much. I'll draw A intersection B. I'll draw A intersection C. Union means it is there in one of them, it will be there in the union. Therefore, this is my A intersection B union A intersection C. For comparing diagram 2 and diagram 5, I have the same shading. Therefore, they both are equal. Therefore, A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay. This is called one more distributive property. Okay. I think the rest we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you students for patient watching.